Okay guys, it's me, Rati. Sinababalik na naman sa bagong video na kung saan maglaro tayo ng Grow a Garden. And now, let's open a 30 plus seed pack ng Bon seed pack. So, ayun, as you can see, I get stone bite in the first place. So, while we are, I will be, dito tayo banda kung baka supihin tayo guys. So, ito, as you can see, I got horn blossom. I don't know what is it, but maybe we can try it too. And yun, nakakuha na naman tayo ng bone dinosaur. So, let's get to the next part. Okay guys, makukuha natin yung horn dinosaur. So, kung medyo boring naman siguro ang so, maghahanap naman tayo ng ibang place kung saan tayo mag-open ng seed box. So, here it is. There we get a paradise petal. So, maybe we can make a short story about the update. So, the update is pretty nice. Actually, yes, there is an upcoming update right na sabi, I think it is pet mutation, sabi nga nila. So, as you can see, we will expect it, and the pet mutation is you will be having a pet, so pet mutate talaga. So, as you can see, we will be getting here, you will watch it until the end. So, as you can see, meron na naman tayong dito guys, we are opening the seed pack. So, as you can see, we get a horn dinosaur, but hopefully, medyo, certain tayo. I will be making it shorter, and I will gawin natin time lapse ito guys. So, there it is. As you can see, we get a new, shade. Ayun, sunbite na naman. And as you can see guys, oh my god, fly fern, sana all mythical. And as you can see, here it is. As you can see, sunbite na naman yung ito guys. So, grabe guys, sobrang dami na lang open natin na seed pack at wala pa rin tayo nakuha ang medyo maganda sa kanina. So, nakakuha tayo kanina ng maganda. So, ayun, grabe guys, ayun, nakakuha tayo ng fossil at mythical pa yun guys. Grabe, sobrang paldo nito. So, ayun guys, itatanim ko na to guys, and I will be back to see the result. And 3, 2, 1, let's go. So, ito na guys. Move na yung ating fossilite. Saka, ewan ko yung yung isa. So, ayun. And that's it lang siguro muna ngayon. And kung nakahabot ka pa man sa video na to, I don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And comment your username also. We can be friends in Roblox din. And Grow a Garden. So, as you can see guys, dito lang siguro nagtatapos ang video na to. And see you in the next video. Bye.